take it, dig it under these two strands, dig it under the strand and under new hair. Dig, grab that outside strand.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. And you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Ray Baby's Realm, and today I'm going to teach you how to braid your hair. Trust me, it's going to be difficult at first, and I'm going to try to explain it as best as I know how, but it's going to be easier for you to just watch and practice and practice and practice it over and over and over. So let's jump right into it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop these off. So I got my wide tooth comb and I got my spray bottle. But because the water here in College Station is really harsh and I just can't be buying distilled water for my hair, so I'll go ahead and just mix a little bit of Dr. Bronner's in there so I can get some type of little nutrients because of this harsh water. But I don't want to re-wet it too much. My mirror's down here, so I'm gonna just look down here. I don't want to re-wet it too much because it's stretched, you know, but I don't want to be combing through and cracking my ends either. So I'm just gonna mist it. Start from your ends, don't snatch them out now, child. Now this has been wrapped for days, so I might have, well, I'm definitely gonna have some loose hair coming out, but we just want to get all the little kinks out real quick. I guess this is a good tutorial on how to get a nice afro. Psych, baby, we braiding this thing back. We about to look like Cleo. We about to set it off. Period. So typically, I use my face as a measurement, okay? So when I'm doing my middle part, I go the middle of my nose, okay? And when I keep going, I use my eyebrow to hit that next point. I'll make sure my braids are all hitting the same points. Under the nose right here, hitting that point. That is how you make sure your braids are all even. Get in front of a big mirror, right? I'm gonna take this little one and show y'all how to finesse. Get in front of a big mirror. Y'all see me? Hey. So you set up your mirror like this. So like right now I can see the back of my head. And that's how you finesse. I'm really trying to see what I want to do for y'all. See that? Y'all seen that? You take the end of your comb, lay it flat on your you lay it flat on your face and you just slide it straight back to create that part. Basically right here, I'm measuring where I want to do my parting again using the middle of my eye and just bringing that straight back. And then I just use my fingers to just dig my way through the back of my head. Sometimes you can feel around better with your hands. As far as cleaning up the part goes, I usually just use the tooth of the comb and drag it through the front, as you just saw. Here, I'm gonna do it again. Drag it through the front, clean it up, and just pull it apart. And here I am again, just digging my fingers through the back of my hair. And then I'm going to take this section and go ahead and tie it up. And this is what we're looking like. It's looking a little rough, but keep in mind, I'm not using the mirror for the back of my head. You can use the rat tail comb to clean it up, but we don't need all that. So now we're going to go ahead and spritz the hair, spritz my hand. Use some of this Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. This stuff is really, really good. And it's owned by a Black woman, and she's from Georgia. Shout out to my Georgia peaches. So now we're going to separate the front parts of our hair. Here we have 3 even pieces. So that's basically how you start off the braid. So I'm going to go ahead and give some more tips, because after the sped up montage, I go in detail about how you actually braid. So as far as braiding, make sure when you're doing each notch that your fingers stay really, really close together. That's the key to keeping your braids nice and tight. Also, make sure that you keep your palms facing a little bit upward and away from your head so that you stay on top of the hair as you're braiding it. Also, be sure to detangle as you braid. So I just want to explain something real quick. So when I'm doing it like this, I grab it with my pointer and my thumb finger, right? So I pull this out, and then I bring the rest of my fingers and I separate it, right? That's how you keep your hair from tangling as you braid. Pointer, thumb, right? You pull it out, then you grab it with the rest of your fingers, right? And guess what's free? That middle finger. So we're gonna take it, dig it under these two strands, dig it under the strand and under new hair. Dig, grab that outside strand, dig again, pointer and thumb, grab that hair with the rest of your fingers. What's free? That middle finger. Go under, grab that outside one, grab some new hair, pointer, thumb, grab it, grab the rest of the strand. What's free? That middle finger. Go through these 2 points, right? You holding on with that middle finger. Pointer and thumb. Grab it, grab the rest of the hair. You got these 2 strands, stick your finger through it, grab some new hair. This hand is free. Pointer and thumb. Grab it, grab it. Guess what? Middle finger, stick it through, grab some new hair. Free hand, pointer and thumb, grab it again, stick it on through, and keep on going. Keep it going. I hope I'm explaining it well enough, because, child, it's a struggle trying to tell someone how to braid. Like, you really just gotta figure out what's best for you, because some people do overhand braids, some people do underhand. For me, it depends on if I'm doing myself or if I'm doing another person. But I think I'm doing the underhand method, because my finger go underneath the braid. All right, guys, so here is the final product. But yeah, this is something slight though, something to just go under the wig. But I'll definitely do a more in-depth one if you guys want it to be styled, if you guys want to see a braid out. I also do box braids, locks, all that. Like, I'm really about to get into it with the hair tutorials, y'all. So yeah, this is it. I hope this was helpful. I really do. I'm scared to show the back, but because I didn't use a mirror. Don't jump on me. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for what I got coming for y'all next. Like and subscribe. Did you click it? Did you click it? Thank you. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in this week, and can't wait to see you guys again. Love y'all.
I look nice when you open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get